Hello children, I hope all of you are doing well and studying hard for examination. Today we are going to see how to select objects in MS Paint. There are two ways to select objects. Let us learn that. Objects or parts of picture can be selected in Paint using the Select tools under the ribbon section. We can make changes to the selected part of the picture. We will learn to copy, cut, rotate and do lot of other interesting things in Paint in today's class. Let us see them. To begin with, let us first learn how to use the Select tool for making a selection. For that, we will click on the down arrow under the Select tool in the image group on the Home tab here. So this is the Select tool which is given in the Home tab here. So we need to click over this arrow. So there are two forms of selection. One is rectangular selection. The other one is free-form selection. Okay, so we need to choose the required shape under the selection shapes. We can click on the first option, that is click on rectangular selection, if we want to select the part of a picture in square or rectangular shape. Or we can select this one, free from selection, if we want to select part of picture in any shape. Free form doesn't have any shape. If you take the cursor, you can see what it is being displayed. The first one, the first select tool, rectangular selection, it shows that select a part of picture that is in rectangular or square format. Okay, if you take a cursor, you can see. And if you take on a free form, you can see select an area of any shape by drawing on the canvas. It can select your picture in any way. You can see the representation over here. Okay, this is square and this is free form. Means any shape it can go like. The selection can be in any shape if you select the second option. And if you choose the first option, your selection will be based either in square shape or rectangular shape. So let us select the first one. So here you can see rectangular, the box you can see, right? Box is there. See here, the box, the picture is selected in box. See the dotted lines. The picture is selected in box. You can see this is the selection, the rectangular. If you take this tool, the picture will be selected in this format, the box you can see here. When you will drag the mouse in the drawing area, you can see. Okay, see this box. If you drag it, it becomes a box. This is the use of first option. If you take the second one, free form, then see. See, free form is like this. You can select, you can do anything in the drawing canvas and there is no particular shape. Okay, you can scribble, you can do anything and it's free form. That means it doesn't take any kind of shape. So this is free form selection. Free form selection is used when you want to select a picture in any shape. There is no particular format in free form. Okay, there is no particular format. So there are two select tools. The first one is rectangular selection. The other one is free form selection. Now let us learn how to copy and paste objects in the drawing area in Paint application. So you all know copying means making a duplicate copy, right? So copying an object means you're making a duplicate copy of that same object. So this feature is useful when we want an object to appear many times in the picture. If you want that picture to appear more than one time in the screen, then you can apply this feature. So for that, we need to select the picture or a part of picture which we want to copy by using select tools, that is rectangular selection or free form selection on the home tab. So let us go on the home tab. Here under the select tools, there are two form of selection now. You know that either it is rectangular or free form, right? So if we take rectangular, let us take rectangular. So you can see this is rectangular. This is rectangular selection. Done. Okay, so this is our selection. We have selected. So we have already selected now. Okay, if we have already selected, now we will click on copy in the clipboard group. Here copy, we will click over here, copy, then we will click on paste. Done. So you can see here copy and paste. There is two pictures. So this is how you can copy and paste object. If you don't select, then what happens? By default, the picture gets selected, the whole picture gets selected. Okay, the whole area will be selected if you don't select using any select tools like rectangular selection or free form selection. So if you want, you can quit it. Otherwise, you can select this also. Select all. Okay, select all. You can select this option also. And if you don't select anything, your picture will be definitely selected and the entire screen will be selected as a tool. And now we are going to learn about cutting and pasting objects. Cutting an object means moving the object from its original position or location to some other position in the drawing area. So just like some minutes back, few minutes back, we have done copy and paste. Now we will cut and paste the objects in the drawing area. First of all, we will select the part of the picture that we want to cut using the select tools, that is rectangular selection or free form selection on the home tab. Here we have to go select. From here we will select which one we want, either this or this, the first option or the second option. Okay, once we have selected, what we will do, after selection, we will click on cut option in the clipboard group. Okay, so we will click on cut. Okay, so you can see the selected area gets removed from the picture. There is no picture now in the screen. On the screen, can you see any picture? No. So now we will click on paste. So here you can see it has been pasted. Now you can drag it and move to the location that you want. Okay, to the location you want. It was here before. So now you can paste it on the right side. So this is how you can use cut and paste command for the objects that you want to use in the drawing area. Wherever you want, you can copy or you can paste it, or you can cut or you can paste it.